Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all see what I'm in. This is like a 2015 Dodge Charger, and as you can tell from all the accessories, look guys, got a column shifter. When the last time you seen one of these column shifter in a Dodge Charger? Normally they right here, but because this used to be a cop car, former cop car, they needed this space to put all the goodies at, all their stuff at, you know, computers and laptops and things to lock criminals up with. All right, so they moved the shifter from the floor to the column. All right, well, guess what guys, it's in. Y'all see that warning light right there? Ladies and gentlemen, that is a check engine light. All right, now this thing is in. It just left not another shop. I don't know what's going on with these other shops. Cousin Pook and them, y'all, they can't fix nothing, man. Here's the deal. Y'all see this code? Insufficient coolant temp for closed loop fuel control, P0125. Guys, that simply could mean that you low on coolant. Now, being low on coolant is nothing to belittle by no means, okay? That is a serious thing. Remember, this is a Hemi engine. Good. On a cop car, it should be a Hemi engine, not no 3.6 Pentastar. So maybe they can catch some criminals with that V8 powerful Hemi engine. Now, at any rate, the heads on this engine is aluminum. So if you overheat those heads, you can potentially warp them and thus cause you a complete engine. We don't want that. In fact, let me turn this thing off. I got my code. I got it running. I was trying to duplicate it, but they had a hard time finding the leak. They put a water pump on it. To my understanding, I'm going to go out here and verify all this in a second. Water pump and a radiator have been put on. That pesky little leak they can't seem to find. But you know what? They here. JT the car guy. We're going to figure it out, man. I'm going to take y'all along on the ride with me. Y'all ready? Let's get it, man. Now, it's in for coolant leak overheating, guys. It has been to several other shops. In fact, looking at those parts right there, yeah, I'm wagering a bet that is a new water pump. Get this, as well as a new radiator. All right, now I put pressure on the system. I saw some trickle, but I couldn't see exactly where it was coming from. Look, all this from this car. Yes, it's a mess. All right, now, so what I did was, y'all know the drill, my patented coolant system pressure tester. All right, I love this thing. I know there's some new ones out, but I'm old school. I like to pump things. Now, this is just portable, guys. I can take this with me wherever I want to go. Now, I want to show y'all something. First, let me do this. Let me fill this up with water, guys. Yes, it's okay to use water for diagnostic purposes, okay? When I get ready to actually sell a repair, I'm going to use the proper coolant that this vehicle calls for. But for now, we're going to fill the system up, fill the reservoir up. And I want to show y'all something. I don't see this too often. And I'm wondering how many of you guys see this, okay? And this video basically for those that haven't seen it, okay? So don't belittle every ounce of the cooling system, even this reservoir, all right? For instance, we're going to put pressure on it. Let me put pressure on it, guys. Hold tight. Now, well, pressure keep dropping pretty fast. That is because, ladies and gentlemen, after looking and looking, I could not find a leak. But now, let me show y'all something. Water's right here, the same water that I put in here. So what does that point to? That points toward this reservoir. But I want to show y'all something. Let me put some more pressure on here. Now, y'all see this? Guys, I have never, well, once a long time ago, but I very seldomly see that. That is a stress crack? That is the water that I just put in the reservoir. It's leaking. So did those other shops put all of this on for nothing? I'm sure they put them on because the car was overheating. If you don't have any coolant in your system, you're going to overheat. Look at that. Yes, so it takes some real good analyzing to find this is pissing out. You can't, look, it's a little bitty ass stress crack. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so again, guys, my image is at stake. I don't want nobody bringing their car back saying, I'm still overheating. I still got a coolant leak. Yeah, even after I make this repair, if they buy it, guess what? I'm going to pressure test it again. I'm going to pressure test the whole cooling system. All right? In other words, I'm the last one that worked on this, so I'm partially going to be responsible for what happens after this. Look at this. If anybody, the new guys, so don't belittle even the reservoir. Yes, it's plastic. How you get a crack right there? I do not know. I can't explain that part. However, let me show you all what I got. Ta-da! Yes, guys. He said, hell with this nonsense. Fix this car. So I got a new reservoir right here. And guess what? We're going in with new coolant, guys. So, yeah. Just wanted to run that by you guys. New radiator cap as well. Alrighty. So, I got work to do now. How do you replace this? I'm not going to film me replacing a radiator cap. I don't want to insult you guys like that. 10 millimeter right here. 10 millimeter right here. And of course, the hose that go right here. All right. Again, once I'm done with this, I'm going to recheck the system. For all I know, this brand new water pump. Is that Mopar? I don't think that's Mopar, guys. Yeah, they got some ding ass. That's probably a Derman. Is that a Derman? Wait a minute. Derman? Okay. Anyway, no, it's still leaking. I don't even have no pressure on it. I got a little bit. I'm going to make sure y'all get a good. Yeah. Okay. The things we go through here. I love what I do. All right. Get shocked all the time. I've been in this game for a minute. There's still little things like that surprises me. Catch me off guard. Because again, I'm thinking I'm going to see coolant leak all up here. I'm like, where the hell did this come from? I can't see. And it turned out there's a stress crack in the reservoir. All right, guys, let me get this on. I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm not going to film this, like I say. Put this in. I'm going to bleed the system on this water pump right here. That is the bleeder screw. Okay. I don't know. Allen head 7. I'm going to open that. I'm going to use my bleeder funnel. And I'm going to pour the coolant in until I get water out of here. That will lets me know that most of the air pockets is out. That's the goal. You don't want to give a customer's car back with an air pocket. You still can have an overheating problem at that point. So I'm going to properly bleed the system. All right.